Well, hello. What do you think about the VRA course from Think Media? Have you joined? Well, I want to talk about it because I want to join, but I want to hear from you. So my name is Veiah and I'm here recently joined the challenge for YouTube 1K challenge by Shan Connell. And there is a program course they are offering as Video Ranking Academy. And, it's good to know before you jump in. So I'm going to look at some comments and see how good it is. So I check on the comments and one person. So here's Mike Lane said, been a VRA member for a little over a year, and I've taken courses from MKBHD. Where is that? Another name is Matt Diavella, Tomorrow's Filmmakers, and others. And for him, for Mike, VRA is by far the most comprehensive courses available. And so he really encouraged to sign up for that. He said, trust me, you do yourself a favor and join. There's a lot of tips, tutorials, community, and more. So that's a plus. And then another guy, Greg Nelson, he said the cost during this challenge is crazy cheap. Everything in this challenge has way more value than its cost. And still, I can't believe how much knowledge I've gained. So the challenge itself, yes. And I personally have joined the challenge and I have learned so much too. So now I'm interested to join the academy, hoping that it will make it better for me to do my YouTube channel. So another one, Karen McCleskey is asking, what time of the day are the monthly group coaching calls? So this VRA course, Video Ranking Academy, has a monthly coaching calls. And so she's asking if the time, sometimes if you want to join something, you want to make sure you attend it. Otherwise, it's not going to be, it's still going to benefit you, but it's really good to be there on that very moment. And since some people are not available or they're working or depending on their schedule, she wants to know, Karen wants to know what's the time for the monthly coaching calls. And the response is they are different times each month. So yeah, if you are thinking of joining, then that is something you have to consider. But he said, Think team said usually scheduled between 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Pacific time. So it's an hour of coaching between 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. So keep in mind if you decide to join. Another one, Lambert and Bond, like how do you say this name? But Lambert said, do I need to sign up again on the Learn Video 2022? So Lambert seems to be an old member. He's been there. He must be enjoying it that he wants to continue. As I understand, do I need to sign up again? So the answer is no. If you already purchased the bundle, this will be added to everything you've already got. So this is something cool, knowing that you already signed up and you don't have to sign up again. Another comment is from Petra Malinova. She said she signed up and loved the camera confidence course. So for you out there who are working on your confidence in front of the camera, this might be something that will, give you what's that? A kick to join the VRA. I'm not promoting this because I'm getting something. I just thought, if someone needs help, if you don't know much about it, then this might help you decide whether you want to join or not. And then another lady comment that um, Jennifer, her name's Jennifer Holiday. I am loving all the Facebook posts in the VRA group. Best decision ever to join. So when you join the Video Ranking Academy, you will also get to be invited to their group, which is the VRA group, and then further your learning. Because this is a group of people who are into YouTube creating content. And so they're mostly niche closely to YouTube, so which is good. So anyway, of all this comment, I only collected a few, but I seem to think that a lot of people like it and enjoyed it. And personally, when I joined the challenge, I saw that there's a lot of people in the challenge. That means this is a really popular challenge to do if you are skilled in YouTube. This is something a lot of people wants to learn from about YouTube, channels, starting your own channel. And so I'm just putting this out there, hoping someone can see the light, guide you. And the last one I want to share with you is Lynn said, I hear you, but honestly, I was encouraged to use what we have here for free. Do all we can, and one day the money will come. Hard work and faith pays off. Stay encouraged, which is very true. Yes. Sometimes a course may or may not help you, because even if you have a course right in front of you and you decide not to take time to learn from it, you will still learn on your own. It will take longer. The good part of having a course ready for you is you don't have to figure it out alone by yourself. The course will give you ideas after ideas. So all the ideas, all the courses included in Video Ranking Academy is useful. You just have to follow it and stay the course. Keep focused, and eventually you will get better and start earning money. And also, Lynette is true. I mean, correct. Even sometimes we don't have the means, so it's hard, or there's no, it's not like there's no way, but it's hard to make a decision when you are struggling, which I understand because we go through that. So even if you don't have, even if you cannot afford a course, or if you can't do it, that's fine. But yeah, just keep going and focus on what you're doing and learn little by little, and eventually you'll get there, right? So that's just my short review. And comment if you have your review as well with Think Media. I really like the energy during the challenge, and I like the way it's what's this the step by step, from day 1 to day 5. I like it. The way it's presented to us who are watching. And so if you have your idea or your review, what do you think about Think Media? And if you already joined the course, what do you think about the course? I'd like to hear from you. So anyway, that's it for today, and hope to get connected with you, like and subscribe in my channel, and I will come back again. Bye for now.